Hello everyone, welcome back to Inside Is Lab. Here we discuss data analytics, machine learning, SQL, Python, and Power BI in simple and practical way. As we have started our new series to learn Microsoft Power BI from basic till the advanced part of it. So in this series, you are not going to learn only Microsoft Power BI, but this series will help you to crack your PL300 certification as well. So let's try to see the same. As in our earlier video, we have discussed how to connect data from CSV file, tab separated file, pipe separated file, or space separated file. Now, in this video, we are going to see how to connect data from Excel file. So let's try to see the same. Before moving to the practical implementation, let's understand data first. So as I have this US regional sales data, which we have to load to the Power BI. So first we'll open that particular file in Excel. So this is the data which we have to load to the Power BI. Here we have multiple sheets. First one which is related to the sales, second one which is related to the customers, third one which is related to the store location, fourth one which is related to the products, fifth one which is related to the region sheet, and last but not the least which is related to the sales team sheet. Now we have to load all these sheets from the Excel file. Let's try to see the same in case of Power BI. Now as I have opened this blank Power BI file, here we have not loaded any data till the point. We have to load Excel file to the same blank report. First approach to load Excel file to the Power BI is by using this tab, or best approach to do the same by clicking on Get Data, More option, and as we are loading our data from file, so select file here, and our data source will be Excel. So that's why select Excel, and here choose the file where you have that particular file available in that particular directory. As our file is Excel file and that file is present in this directory, so I have selected that file. I will click on open. It is connecting that particular file to Power BI. Now see, it has given me all the worksheet which are available in case of that particular file. So here it has given worksheet as well as table. So we'll try to load that particular table instead of loading that worksheet. Again, one and the same thing. So I have selected all these worksheet which Power BI has created table for that particular worksheet, and simply click on transform data. So now it will load that particular data to the Power Query. So now you can see it has loaded all the worksheet in the form of table to the Power BI. Here you can check data type of each and every column. As it should be numeric, so it has identified correctly, and it should be text, so it has identified correctly. Same for others, we'll check. You can check one by one. If everything looks good, you can proceed with the further. So I will check with the sales as well. So here you can see it has detected properly. I will check for the sales team data as well. Here also it has identified properly. Here also you can see it should be categorical or text, so it has identified text, and for the other as well it should be text only, so it has identified the correct for that one as well. After identifying it has taken correct data type, click on close and apply. Now the data which we have loaded to the Power Query, that data will load to the Power BI. So it is loading that data. It will take some time based on your system configuration. So it is loading one by one. As you can see, the data which we have loaded from Power Query to Power BI, it has loaded that data to the data pane. Earlier this data pane was blank. It has loaded customer data, it has loaded locations data, it has loaded product data, it has loaded sales data, it has also loaded sales team data and state regions data as well. If you want to see exact data, so you can use table view to see the all data which is present in that particular file. So here you can see it has loaded that particular data from Excel file. This is the way you can connect data from Excel file. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video.